How to make a Cancer man fall in love with a Sagittarius woman. A Cancer man is sensitive, loyal, and deeply emotional. A Sagittarius woman is bold, adventurous, and free-spirited. Though opposites by zodiac nature, their differences can spark a powerful attraction, if handled wisely. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. If you're wondering how to make a Cancer man fall in love with a Sagittarius woman, here's a concise guide to help navigate this intriguing astrological pairing. 1. Be patient with his emotions. Cancer men don't rush into love. Let him open up at his own pace without pushing. 2. Show genuine interest in his feelings. Ask about his day. Listen with care. He needs emotional connection to feel secure. 3. Balance adventure with stability. He may not crave constant change. Mix excitement with routine to build trust. 4. Speak kindly and avoid harsh words. Your Sagittarius honesty is refreshing, but tone it down. He's sensitive to criticism. 5. Respect his homebody nature. He feels safest at home. Spend quality time indoors to bond on a deeper level. 6. Share meaningful conversations. Go beyond small talk. Explore emotional, spiritual, or philosophical topics together. 7. Embrace his family values. Cancer men are family-oriented. Show respect and kindness to his loved ones. 8. Be loyal and reliable. He needs someone he can count on. Follow through with your words and actions. 9. Let your guard down emotionally, even if you're independent. Showing vulnerability draws him closer. 10. Create a safe emotional space. Be consistent, kind, and calm. He falls for those who make him feel protected. Though they may seem mismatched, knowing how to make a Cancer man fall in love with a Sagittarius woman begins with understanding. When fire meets water with care, it doesn't extinguish, it steams with passion and depth. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.